Google just launched a way to refine your chat messages using Gemini, and it's a bit of a lifesaver for anyone who hates proofreading. Now I'm putting these new Pro features to the test to see if they actually save you time or if they're just more AI hype. Have a look at this. Refine Google chat messages with Gemini to communicate with confidence and clarity. This is very interesting because I've not seen this in my chat yet. This is very interesting to me. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and let's see if I can write a message to my buddy Gail here. All right, I'm just going to write a completely random message. Hit the little button there. I have a refine button. The language used does not support. Okay, well that makes sense, right? So, hey there. Okay. Cool. All right. So it cleaned up my text and my punctuation and whatnot. All right. So that's pretty useful. There we go. Okay. So they actually did launch the feature, apparently. I just didn't see that one. Nice. Okay. Next up. Well, this is interesting. Gemini in Chrome. Announced in October. Is it in my Chrome? No, it's not in my Chrome. Where's the Gemini button? I don't know. That's interesting. Generally available, Google. Apparently this was generally available in October, but no, it has not made it to me yet. Now, there are some complications that I have an Australian Google Workspace account as our main, and I'm based overseas in Europe currently. So that may be why this has not arrived to me yet, because Australia gets things slow sometimes, and Europe gets things slow because of all the privacy laws and everything. So maybe that's why I don't have this, but I've made videos about it and announcing it, short of me jumping on VPN and trying to access it from one of our US-based remote machines. I would love to know what you think about this. Drop it down in the comments and let me know what you think about this, because I'm very interested to know how good this is. I've not yet used it. I've used ChatGPT and Claude, and I did those on stream as well, and they were pretty good. I used the computer use feature of Gemini, which is like Gemini running its own little desktop computer and doing things inside there. Wasn't impressed, but I'd love to see what Gemini does in the sidebar. So if you've got access, I want to know. Tell me all about it. If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.